Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video we are going to be talking about this website right here, and it's called Ezoic guys. So this website pays you more than Google has. Like, you literally earn more using Ezoic than Google. So that's how it works. So what is the work of Ezoic guys? So this uses AI to optimize ad placement on your website. So like, bloggers can earn more revenue than traditional AdSense, which is like using the Google AdSense like we normally do. So you can literally earn more using Ezoic. So let's explore the website together guys. So as you can see here says data driven ad monetization, and it says a total ad monetization solution providing the easiest way to directly generate premium ad revenue from your audience using first party data. So now let's go down. As you can see here, trusted partner, you see Amazon ads, OpenPath, you can see Google here, Flipper. So all these things are trusted partners. You can see Google Ad Manager. So now let's go down. You can see here says empowering digital revenue growth. You can see here delivering best of breed ad technology, management services and expertise. So as you can see here says 69.3k site generating revenue. You see that's a lot guys. 69k, that's a lot. You can see here says 768 million network page view per month consecutive. See, that's crazy guys. So the next one here says 1 of 5 Google Premium partners worldwide. And the next one says 28% average increase in visitor engagement. So your blogging website will have average 28% increase. So that can literally be a game changer in your blogging life guys. So you can see here it says 48% average revenue increase, like newsletter guys. So of course, if your visitor engagement increases, your revenue will also increase. And then as you can see here, 48%. And the last one here says 360 million monthly network video watched. 360 million monthly guys. Like, that means literally in a year you will be generating over 1 billion yearly watched videos. So that's a lot guys. So you should definitely check out Ezoic guys. So if you scroll down more, as you can see here says world-class ad monetization, like an end-to-end solution to support your success, boost revenue and deliver holistic performance insights. So now if you scroll down, as you can see here, these are some messages. You see everything like connecting to Ezoic guys. This makes sense. So that's just how it works. So now let's go to the product section. You can see here it says Ezoic ad platform. You see rewarded ads, exit, fast integration. So let's check out this place, which is Ezoic ad platform. And you can see here ad monetization platform. You can see award-winning technology that connects of thousands of premium ad partners and uses machine learning leading experts and direct brand relationship to deliver the unmatched ad performance. So all these things guys, you can literally check them out and enjoy. You see, unlock the value of your audience. You see, Ezoic platform is specifically designed to unlock value from high quality audiences and leverage first-party data from website lists and user registration, allowing sites to earn more and work more directly with advertisers. So now if you want to check out Ezoic guys, just go to ezoic.com to learn more about them guys. So that's literally how Ezoic works. So that will be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.